Hello guys, today we see another array problem, minimum consecutive flips. So let's start. Here, uh, here it is given array like uh, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Here we can see this is 1 and 0 combination, and here we got the flip like if this is a minimum consecutive flips. If you see here 0 is occurring 3 times and here 0 occurring 1 time. So if we count the like 1 occurring like if this is the 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 2 to 4, 2 to 3 and 0 occurrence 4 to 6 like that. So let's start. First what we do, we import the util package, import java.util start. What we do here, we take user input and create one method, and here we show find the output. So let's start. Scanner xc is equal to new scanner system.in, and here enter the length of the array, length of array. Here we store the array in a variable in store the length of the array in a variable. Next int here show user to enter the array element, system.out.println, enter the array elements, and here what we do, uh, here we initialize an array whose length is n, in arr is equal to new n, length is n because we already take from user, and here using for loop we insert the element in the array. Int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and uh, array of I is equal to sc dot next int. Here we create one method, public static void minimum consecutive flip, minimum flip. Here we also pass the array, and we already know the length of the array, so we pass the length of the array also, and here we call this min flip, the method in the call in the main method, and here we pass array and length of the array. Now we complete this main minimum flip one. So here what we do, first we iterate this for loop, we iterate this array and check whether the current element, we start from one index, and if we check if the current element is same as the previous element, then what we do, we simply start from, if it is like uh, if we start like 1 1 1, then 0 1 0 0 like that, then what we do, we can see if we start from this index, means one index, then we can compare with the previous index and check if it is same, and then we print the it start from 0th index to uh, second index like that. So let's start. For int I is equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus, here array of I is not equal to, first we check the, if it is not equal to, then we start from next index, like that you can check. If it is not equal to array of I minus 1, then what we do, we again check if array of I is not equal to array of 0, means the start index, then we write the system dot out dot println here from I, then I to which index, and again we check here this start from this index, then we also write else system dot out dot println I minus 1, and again what we do, we check the, if the length minus 1 is not, should not be equal to the array of 0th index. So if array of means length minus 1 means last index, if n minus 1 in last index not equal to first index, then what we do, we return that number. System without println then n minus 1. Later on this, let's see, here it is showing to enter the length of the array. So what we do, here we write the length of the array like 9. If we enter the element like 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0, then here it starts from 2 to 0. If we see this one start from 2 to 3, then again one start from 4 5 6 6 to 7, so like that it is start. That's all. Thank you.